So here we are, Whirlwind Family Farm, and I got my big hat on, which you rarely, if you see me in my videos, I usually have my ball cap on, but on these hot sunny days, I put my big ugly hat on because, hey, it protects the skin. So this is one of those moments where I'm just grabbing handheld, the iPhone, and I'm just kind of sharing a moment with you here at Whirlwind Family Farm. I'm gonna flip the camera around. These are one of the things that's kind of what I call one of the joyful moments where you get joy out of actually harvesting. And that's my cherry tomatoes, is that they're one of my crops that just seems to do well year after year, season after season, and even late into the season. We had cherry tomatoes last year into January. So let's take a quick look as I come in here to harvest. Let's take a quick look. We got some there. We don't want to get them if they're not ripe. So one thing, unlike our large tomatoes, is that with cherries, you want them to be a little bit more ripe. They don't have to be perfectly ripe. So I'm grabbing a few right here. Get one right there. There's a couple I want to get. So, and I always just carry a nice size little bowl with me when I come out here to get these for our customers. There's one that's about the right ripeness, and you just go through like this, and we pick, and you would be amazed at how much these produce each season. And we usually have about a 50-foot row, and I'm just going through here. Put these back over here. So this is one of those moments, kind of impromptu. Just wanted to take you guys along to see what we do, how we harvest our cherry tomatoes. I come in right here. You can see there's a cluster, a large cluster right in here. So I'll get a few of these. These are a little bit smaller, but that's okay. They have great taste, really taste well. Love these in a salad. I just like eating them individually too. They're good that way. So those are our cherry tomatoes. Again, apologize, have the goofy hat on. But and when you're at midsummer, July in Texas, you try to cover up as much as you can from having sun damage. So that's why I have the big goofy hat on today. But guys, thank you for checking out Whirlwind Family Farm. We always appreciate it. Like, subscribe, hit that bell for notification, and we'll always have another video over here that'll take you further along in that learning process. And we appreciate you so much. Blessings over you, your family, your garden. Talk to you soon from Whirlwind Family Farm.